10 fastest growing veggies for all gardeners who are short on time. Gardening can be a rewarding hobby, but not everyone has the luxury of time to wait for months before harvesting fresh produce. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or just someone looking for quick results, choosing fast-growing vegetables is the key to enjoying a bountiful harvest without the long wait. Here are the top 10 fastest-growing veggies that are perfect for gardeners who are short on time. 1. Radishes. Radishes are one of the quickest vegetables to grow, maturing in as little as 20 to 30 days. These crunchy, peppery veggies are perfect for adding a burst of flavor to salads and sandwiches. Radishes are incredibly easy to grow, making them ideal for beginners. They thrive in cool weather, so they can be planted in early spring or fall. Simply sow the seeds directly into the soil, keep them well watered, and you'll have fresh radishes in just a few weeks. 2. Lettuce. Lettuce is a staple in many gardens due to its versatility and rapid growth. Most lettuce varieties, including leaf lettuce, can be harvested in as little as 30 days. For even faster results, consider growing baby greens, which can be ready in about 3 weeks. Lettuce thrives in cool weather and can be grown in the spring and fall. It's also perfect for container gardening, so you can easily grow it on a balcony or patio. Regular harvesting encourages continued growth, allowing you to enjoy fresh, crisp lettuce all season long. 3. Spinach. Spinach is another fast-growing leafy green that is packed with nutrients. It takes about 30 to 40 days to reach maturity, but baby spinach leaves can be harvested in as little as 20 days. Spinach prefers cool weather and can be planted in early spring or fall. It's also an excellent crop for succession planting, meaning you can sow new seeds every couple of weeks to ensure a continuous harvest. Spinach can be eaten fresh, sauté, or added to a variety of dishes, making it a versatile addition to your garden. 4. Green onions. Scallions. Green onions, or scallions, are one of the easiest and fastest-growing vegetables. They can be harvested in about 20 to 30 days, depending on the variety. Green onions are perfect for adding a mild, onion-like flavor to salads, soups, and stir-fries. They can be grown from seeds or by replanting the white root ends of store-bought scallions. Green onions are also suitable for container gardening and can be grown indoors on a sunny windowsill, ensuring a fresh supply of green onions year-round. 5. Arugula. Arugula, also known as rocket, is a fast-growing leafy green with a peppery flavor. It's perfect for adding a spicy kick to salads and sandwiches. Arugula matures in about 30 to 40 days, but baby leaves can be harvested in as little as 20 days. This cool season crop is best grown in spring or fall, and it can be sown directly into the soil or in containers. Arugula is a cut-and-come-again crop, meaning you can harvest the outer leaves while allowing the inner leaves to continue growing, ensuring a continuous supply. 6. Bush beans. Bush beans are a great option for gardeners looking for a quick harvest of fresh, crunchy beans. These beans mature in about 50 to 60 days, making them one of the faster-growing vegetables. Unlike pole beans, which require a trellis, bush beans grow in a compact, bushy form, making them ideal for small spaces and container gardens. They thrive in warm weather, so plant them after the last frost in spring. With proper care, bush beans will provide a generous harvest of tender beans that can be enjoyed fresh, steamed, or sauté. 7. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are another fast-growing vegetable that can yield a harvest in as little as 50 to 60 days. They thrive in warm weather and need plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to grow rapidly. There are both bush and vining varieties, with the latter benefiting from a trellis or support. Cucumbers are versatile in the kitchen, perfect for salads, pickling, or as a refreshing snack. For an even quicker harvest, consider planting dwarf or bush varieties, which mature faster than their full-sized counterparts. 8. Zucchini. Zucchini is a prolific and fast-growing vegetable that can be ready to harvest in about 45 to 55 days. These summer squashes are easy to grow and produce an abundance of fruit, often more than one gardener can keep up with. Zucchini plants need plenty of space and sunlight, but they reward you with a continuous supply of tender, flavorful squash. Harvest zucchini when they are small and tender for the best flavor. Zucchini is incredibly versatile and can be grilled, sautéed, baked, or even used in baking. 9. Baby carrots. Carrots typically take a bit longer to mature, but if you're short on time, baby carrots are the way to go. These miniature carrots can be ready to harvest in about 30 to 40 days, depending on the variety. Baby carrots are perfect for snacking, adding to salads, or cooking. They thrive in loose, well-drained soil and prefer cooler weather, making them ideal for spring or fall planting. To ensure a continuous supply, plant seeds every few weeks during the growing season. 10. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green that grows quickly and can be harvested in about 50 to 60 days. However, if you're looking for a faster harvest, baby kale leaves can be picked in as little as 25 to 30 days. Kale is a cool weather crop that thrives in the spring and fall. It's also a hardy plant that can withstand frost, making it a great choice for extending your growing season. Kale can be used in salads, smoothies, soups, or sautéed as a side dish, making it a versatile and healthy addition to your garden. Tips for maximizing your harvest. To get the most out of your fast-growing veggies, consider these gardening tips. Succession planting. Planting in succession ensures a continuous harvest. As soon as one crop is harvested, plant another in its place to keep your garden productive. Companion planting. Pair fast-growing veggies with slower-growing ones to maximize space and reduce the need for replanting. For example, plant radishes with carrots. The radishes will mature and be harvested before the carrots need more space. Optimal conditions. Ensure your plants have the right conditions to grow quickly. This includes providing adequate sunlight, water, and nutrient-rich soil. Raised beds and containers can also help speed up growth by providing better drainage and soil warmth. Harvest regularly. Harvesting your vegetables regularly encourages continued growth and prevents plants from bolting going to seed. For leafy greens, practice cut and come again harvesting to extend the life of your plants. If you're short on time but still want to enjoy the benefits of homegrown vegetables, these 10 fast-growing veggies are your best bet. Not only do they mature quickly, but they also require minimal effort to grow, making them perfect for busy gardeners. By incorporating these veggies into your garden, you'll be able to enjoy fresh, healthy produce in no time. Happy gardening!